Hello?
Can't see me.
Yeah, I was not able to see you. Okay, this is your question now.
Oh, okay.
Take a paper, pen, and wait. Wait, you should write down the steps also. I know you are very brilliant, but you should write down the step, because if you will do the step, you will be clear about all things. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go stepwise.
Okay. Volume of a cube is
729.
729.
So what is the formula for volume of cube?
Volume of a cube is equal to side cube.
So what you will write, side cube means you can consider side of a cube is A, right?
Yeah.
So A cube is equals to 729.
Yeah.
So you have for surface area, you need what? You need a side value, right?
Yeah, we want, like, we can find the cube root of this thing.
Correct. So find out that first.
Okay. Cube. Okay, so 729. Now I have to prime factorize this. 729.
Done.
No. I'm prime factorizing this. Okay.
Done, Aditya.
Answer is 9.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes. How much you got?
9.
9.
Good. Yeah.
So 9 is the value of A, right?
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm asking to open your things, video. So surface
Surface.
area,
Yeah. So surface area. No,
6A
I'll
square.
calculate surface area. No. Yeah. Okay.
6
So 6
into
square. So 9 will become 72. So 9 will become 72. So then I have to
9
find
will become 72 means I didn't get you.
181. So so after this, 6 into 81. So 6 into 81 is equal to 486.
Understand?
Yeah.
Any problem?
Yeah.
And please switch on your video so we can do properly, okay? Or is there any problem? If is there any problem, then you can close it, no issue. Pardon?
This will be on, and I don't know what happens. It gets off. Maybe because I kept my book on my touchpad. That's why.
Okay, okay. This question is very good. This is the level of your thinking. Can you see the problem? Be careful while doing. Don't in hurry. Read the problem, think, and then do. Because question has a good level.
If the length of each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times does its volume become? How many times does its surface area become?
Two things
Okay.
they're asking. I will explain the question to you. Listen me very carefully. They says that if the length of each edge of cube is doubled. So suppose that initially I have a cube whose side was x. What was the side? X. Now they told me the size will increase. Sizes increase. So my new cube is side will be doubled. So this becomes 2x, 2x, 2x. Correct?
Yeah.
So give the name this one as 1 and give the name this one as 2. So volume 1 will become how much? Volume 1 will become x cube.
Cube.
Volume
And
2 will become how much?
2x cube.
2x whole cube, which will become 8x cube.
Yeah.
Now, listen me very carefully. So if I see the ratio of it, if I see the ratio of V2 upon V1, they says how many times does it becomes? So it becomes here 8x cube upon x cube. So this is cancel. So V2 is how much? 8 times of V1, can I say?
Yeah.
So new volume becomes 8 times the old volume.
Yeah.
So what is the answer? 8 times.
8
Volume is 8 times. What about the surface area? What about the surface area? So just think here, what will be the total TSA? TSA will be 6x cube, sorry, 6x square.
Yeah.
So TSA 1 is 6x square. TSA 2 will be 6 times 2x square. So it will become how much? It will become 6 into 4x square, which will be 24x square. Am I right? Now I will change the page here. So I'm just going to write on the ratio. TSA 2 by TSA 1 is 24x square divided by 6x square. This is cancel. This will cancel by 4.
Yeah.
So TSA 2 upon TSA 1. TSA 1 is 4. So I can say TSA 2 is 4 times of TSA 1.
Yeah.
So if they will ask surface area, so surface area will increase by how many times? 4 times.
Increase by 4 times.
So please make a note all these things with figure also. Okay, because it was a good question.
Okay. And draw a cube. This cube has x, and this is 1, and I have a bigger square, 2x, 2x, and here is 2x. Okay. So TSA1 TSA1 is equal to 6x square. V2 is equal to 2x cube is equal to 8x cube. TSA2 is equal to 6 to x square is equal to 6 into 4. X square is equal to 24 x square. V2 minus V2 by V1 is equal to 8x cube by x cube. V square is equal to 8 into V1. New volume is equal to 8 into old volume. Okay. We have volume. Sure.
Yes.
You go to the next page.
Yeah. Give me a second. I'll move to the next page.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
TSA2 by TSA1 is equal to 24x square x square. Okay, I'll do this. Square answer 61064. Okay, so you get something like TSA2 by TSA1 is equal to 4. So TSA2 is equal to 4 into TSA1. Finished.
Okay. So do you understand about this?
Yeah.
Any problem? No problem. Okay. Fine. Okay. We are moving ahead. Now we have a new topic for you. Okay. New topic is cylinder. What is that?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. So can you give me example of cylinder?
What example? Gas cylinder.
Okay. Any other?
That is not a perfect cylinder. I think this is a cylinder over here, and I just draw it.
Where you are drawing, I cannot see. You have to annotate it.
Can you see?
Yeah, you can see. Yes, I can see that.
Then it'll be like
Oh, no problem. I'm just going to show you.
I'm not very good at drawing.
Okay, no problem. I'm
Person to
uploading. Can you see that?
Yeah, this
This is a solid cylinder. What we call
solid cylinder.
solid cylinder. So in this solid cylinder, we have, you can see radius. What we can have,
Radius.
and this is the height of the cylinder.
And this is the diameter.
Yes, good. And at the bottom also you will find a circle, right?
Yeah, this with, in the bottom also diameter, and in here also there will be like
Okay,
um
fine. That's fine. I told you very early that volume of any object we can calculate with the help of base area times height. I told you earlier.
yeah,
So now if I see here volume of cylinder, what I see?
volume
Volume
of
of cylinder. So what is the base area? This is the base, right?
yeah
So what is the area? Circle.
area is equal to base area into height.
So what is the base area?
Base
Circle.
area is yeah circle.
What is the area of circle?
A circle is pi r square.
Times height. So you need to note down the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h.
Equal to base area into into height some so volume of cylinder is equal to pi r squared into height. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square height.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to here again. Next we have to learn about CSA. What about learn? CSA.
Yes.
That is called curved surface area. So you can see this portion is called as, which I'm shading with the yellow. This is known as curved
Curved
surface.
surface.
Curved surface area. I will
Yeah.
give you the formula curved surface area after doing one small experiment. Do you have, just give me a second. Give me a second.
Okay.
Uh, give me a moment. Curve. Do you have a rectangular paper?
Yeah.
Take out.
Yeah.
Taken?
Yeah. I don't
Rough,
know. See, I have a whole book.
rough paper. No, no, rough paper. Take it rough paper.
Okay. I got this book. Um. Yeah.
Taken?
Yeah. Yeah. Taken.
Okay, fine. Give me a second.
Josh Smith. If I roll it up, I will get a cylinder, no?
Huh?
If I roll it up, I'll get a cylinder, no?
Yes. So whatever you have rolled, that is
Cylinder.
cylinder. and that is your curved surface area. That is your what? Curved surface area. Yeah, I will just show you. You can see that this hollow you are getting right now. Top
Yeah,
is not
this
top.
is the top, this is the bottom, this much is the CSA.
Right. This much is a CSA. Good. Now listen me. Wait. What you have rolled, that is wrong.
Okay.
How to roll it, I will just let you know. You need to take this edge.
Yeah.
You take this edge and this
Yeah.
edge of the paper. Just join the edge of the paper. Do it.
Okay.
Just like just join the edges and try to make it a hollow cylinder.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Yes. So what you,
Pyramid
that's okay.
cylinder.
That's okay. So you will find what? This circumference, this circumference is equal to which one? Equal to the length of this paper. Am I right?
Really? This is so small, this is so long.
So that's also, if you have a wide, more dia, it will be the same height. Will the height change?
Just a minute. This thing's circumference is so small because the circle is so small, and this is so long.
So what will happen if you will give the more dia, more circumference? Just try.
Sure.
Is the height long? It looks like, but does the height changing?
No.
Not changing, right? Okay, well, leave the paper. Leave the paper. This length will be equal to the circumference of it, right?
Oh yeah, that length will be equal to.
And this height will be equal to the width of the paper, right?
No.
So that means the area of this paper will be equal to the curved surface area of this cylinder. Am I
Yeah.
right? So now listen me. This length will be equal to circumference. That means, can I say 2 pi r?
Yeah.
And height is the width. So area of paper will become how much? 2 pi r into h. Can we say that?
Yeah.
This is the area of paper. Area of paper. And this will
What
be...
is the radius over here?
Huh?
What is the radius here? There is no radius for a rectangle, is there?
So radius... Oh, you are thinking about that. Okay. Look here. What I said. This paper, when you have joined this point, it makes a circle. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So this circle has a radius.
Yeah.
And this circle is made by what? Made by the length of this. Am I right?
Yeah.
So
First
this,
time First time I even thought of that. I will keep doing something like crafts. Then today is the
no,
first time I thought of this concept.
yeah. So the length of this, length of the paper will be equal to the circumference of the circle. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that is why I am writing length is equals to 2 pi r. Can you see?
Okay.
And height of the rectangular paper is the height of cylinder, correct? So
Yeah.
I can write length into width, length into width. So length is nothing but 2 pi r and width is nothing but the height. So what area I will get? I will get the area 2 pi r h. And that area is covered by what? That area is covered by the CSA of cylinder. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So can I...
Not TSA.
Wait, CSA, curved surface, only curved right now.
Okay.
Top, when you have made by your paper, the upper and bottom was hollow. Have you seen? No,
Yeah.
no covered.
But
So
that is not the case in all cylinders, right? So in this cylinder, it is there top. Also.
yes, so wait, so 2 pi RH is the curved surface area, the yellow part, right? Now, if I want to find the total surface area, if I find to total,
Surface area.
so I told you CSA plus add the top and bottom. Top and?
Bottom.
So CSA is 2 pi RH. What is the top? Pi r square. What is the bottom? Pi r square. So this becomes 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square.
Yeah.
Can I take common something? I can take common 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
So h plus r is the final answer of TSA. Make a note all. Volume, curved surface area and total surface area. Make a note fast.
Okay. Yeah.
Note it down.
Just a minute. Volume. That I have already written. So curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Then TSA is equal to CSA plus top plus bottom, then 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, no, 2 pi r h plus r. Finished. I finished.
Okay. Give me a second. Giving you problems. Ready for the problem?
Yeah.
Okay. First, I'm giving you simple problem. Okay, one more thing. Before going further, I will let you know. Do you know the value of pi?
3.14.
3.14 or 22 by 7.
22 by 7 isn't accurate, right?
Right. But you can take both of them. There is no problem. Okay.
After some 5 or 6 digits, 22 by 7 becomes a whole different number.
Okay. But most of the case, it's your intelligence which pi you take.
Yeah.
This is the formula based. So there is no application, nothing. So please do it fast. Formula based question.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, find the volume. Volume curve surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder having base radius 10.5 centimeters and height 18 centimeters. Okay. So just think volume curve surface area. Yes. Base is equal to base radius is equal to 10.5 centimeters and height is equal to 18 centimeters. Okay, so now this thing's base radius is this means then I have to do first I have to find the volume curved surface area and total surface area. So I'll find the area of the of the base first. So pi r square is equal to pi 10.5 square. So pi 10.5 square is equal to um, Okay. Just a minute. I'm multiplying this finger magic. Okay. So by 346.36. Is that correct?
Let me check. So what you said?
So I got the area of the base radius is 346.3 something.
Why you are doing in that way? Just apply the formula pi r square h. Okay. I will do for you. Give me a moment. I will make you understand. Volume formula is pi r square h, right?
Yeah.
Take it 22 by 7. Radius is 10.5. So 10.5, can you write down 21 by 2? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so 21 by 2, 21 by 2. And the height is 18, correct?
18 centimeters.
Okay, so 7 threes are 2, 11,
Minus 2.
9,
So we are
11, 3
11 into 3 into 21. Into 9.
into,
Okay. Okay, I'll do this.
yeah,
11 into 3 is 33. 33 into 21 is equal to something. I don't know. I'll just multiply the whole thing into 9. After so into 9, that'll become 6,237.
6,237, right? 6,237. Similarly, go for curved surface, whole surface area. Do it fast.
Surface area.
Yeah. And I will back in a second, okay?
Yeah.
Just do it.
So that will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 18. Okay, so okay, so this will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into
Yes, can you hear me? Aditya. Aditya, can you hear me? Aditya, can you hear me?
sorry, I was muted.
Okay. No problem.
Stop.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you
I got
got
Yeah, I found CSA is 1188.
And total surface area?
I have to find.
Okay, and switch on the video.
What is happening? My book is over this. My book comes over this
Okay,
touchpad. No, so you keep touching it. So you keep
no
hitting
problem.
buttons. Just now it hit participants buttons, chat button. So many buttons it will hit. I keep it somewhere to the
No
left side.
problem, no problem.
So okay. ESA is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Okay. So 2 pi r h plus r. Okay. After this, welcome to into 22 by 7 into r is 10.5 to 10.5. Then this will become h plus r is 18 plus 10.5. I go to a new page. Okay. So this will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5. That is 66. 66 into 18 is equal to 1188. 1188 plus 66 into 10.5, which is 1881.
1000? Right. Okay. Okay. Moving forward, giving you one problem. Yes, you can try to do this one. Uploading.
Yeah.
Without my help, find the actual answer.
Okay. A cylindrical tank has a capacity of 5,632 meter cube. If the diameter of its base is 16 centimeters, find its depth. Okay. Cylindrical tank has a capacity of 5,632 meter cube. So it can fit 5,632 into 1,000 liters. So the diameter of its base is 16 centimeters. Find the depth. Oh, so capacity is the other word for volume, right?
Yes, you are right.
I remember from physics class. Actually.
Okay.
Okay. Now, depth is the height, no?
Depth is the height, correct.
Okay. No. Okay. Now, a cylindrical tank has a capacity of volume is equal to 5,632 meter cube. Diameter is equal to 16 meters. Height is equal to h. Okay. So now I have volume. Now if I want to find the okay. So I think I can do this. Okay. So now I should okay, just a minute. Cylindrical tank plus okay capacity is volume. Mm, carry forward. Then so I think the height is equal to radius is 8 meters. So yeah. The height is equal to 28 meters.
Height is
Correct?
equals to 28
20.
meters. Right, correct. Okay. Giving you the problem. Mm, rolled along the width. Okay. Give me a second. Yes. You should do this question. This is little interesting for you. Go for it.
This one.
Yes.
A rectangular piece of paper 22 centimeters into 6 centimeters. 22 centimeters is the length or the breadth?
Obviously, it will be the length.
Okay. Okay. So, but there isn't any
So you
like
can see,
height. There isn't any height because a paper will have a height, no?
yeah, thickness. Why thickness? This is the length, right?
Yeah,
And
but
this length will become the circumference. Correct?
okay, okay,
This length will become what?
yeah,
Circumference. So can we say here, circumference means 2 pi r. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can.
So 2 pi r is nothing but 22. Can we say that? Because for finding the volume, we need r value, we need height value, correct?
Yeah,
So we have the height is 6, but we don't have the r value. So we are finding the r now. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. Why 22? Because we know very well length, just now I taught you, length will be equals to circumference, correct? So from here, do you remember that? I told you this part.
yeah,
Here. Here.
I remember.
Okay. So same concept we are taking right now, and we are doing this stuff. So 22 times 7, 2 into 22, right? So this is
Yeah,
cancel. So R value will become 7 by 2, right? So just put it here, 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 times 6. So you can cancel out this, cancel out this 11, cancel out this 3. So volume will become 11 times 7 times 3. So 11 times 21, and 21 times 11 will be 231.
Mm,
Unit is centimeter cube.
1 into 11 is equal to 231. What's the unit? Centimeter cube. Okay.
Yes. So do you understand?
Yeah.
Any problem?
No.
Okay. So I will send you some questions to you. Okay. So you need to do those questions. Fine.
Yeah.
And we will meet in the next session with you. Okay. Till
Okay.
then, you can take rest. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.